Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to make a short video on bleaching brows. First step is to tweeze them. Next, protect your skin with some sort of Vaseline or cocoa butter like I'm using. So for this, I'm using the ice cream brand of bleach. It says ice cream Inebrya. It is a blue bleach. It's also dust free, so that is very helpful, but it has a weird smell to it, kind of like old people. Make sure you guys are reading the ingredients to know what to mix, the proper ratio, and I'm just using an old makeup brush for this because I don't really care if it gets ruined, and it is very precise. So use what you will, use a spoolie brush to really get in the crevices, and then you're done. I forgot to mention that I am using a 10 volume developer, nothing higher on the face, and I ended up leaving this sit for about 25 minutes. Bleach develops in heat, so keep it warm. And here's the finished product. Just in case I didn't mention this in my voiceover, the bleaching process will be completely stopped with conditioner in the package that I have here. It says to wash with shampoo, but don't wash with shampoo. Conditioner will stop the bleaching process. So if you liked this video and want to see more like this, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Sayonara, suckers!